Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews here, and we got the Air Innovations Clean Mist Smart Humidifier. We just bought this off Amazon, it had really good reviews. Let's get an unboxing of this and see what it looks like, open it right up, and let's get to it. Alright, let's check it out. So this is the box up close. Can you see it? Yes. There we go. So that's the box up close so you guys can read everything it has on it that they're claiming it has. Here are the features. You can always pause the video and see the features real quick. And these are kind of what they have. And then that's it. So that's kind of what all the box looks like. Shown actual size. So that's the actual size of it is what it's saying. So let's get this open. Get this open. It has a 70-hour runtime, it says, which is hopefully good. I really don't know. This is our third one that we bought because they did break. My mom's been using them for a couple years, but after a while, I guess, if you don't have very, very clean water, the insides kind of break. You should really be using RO water or filtered water for this, so there's no mineral deposits and, you know, builds up easily, and then it'll last you a lot longer. We just got an RO system in our house. If you saw my other videos just a few months ago. So we just started using RO on the humidifier, so they should last a lot longer because everything is stripped out of it and it's very clean water is what it is. So that's it. So let's get this open and see what we got. So let's bring it back here. Let me get a thing. All right, that's good. So that's kind of what we got. Oh man, I should have put my little hat. Where's my hat? All right, this is my little hat. My girlfriend got me. Glen Velvet Reviews, a little hat. I try to put that in my videos sometimes. So that's my Glen Velvet Reviews hat. And like I said, let's get this open and get this started and get the unboxing so you can see what's up. So you got foam on the top. Looks like this on the top, as you can see. So we're just going to pull it right out. It's in a plastic bag. So we pull it out like this. The plug is on the back. And there's nothing else in the box, as you can see. There's nothing in there. It's only the styrofoam and the instruction manual. I'm not going to go over the instructions right now. This is just an unboxing review about it so you guys can see what comes out of it. I will put on another video of setting it up and stuff like that, and then putting the water in it. But I'm not going to do that right now. I just want to get this open for you and we see what it comes. So it's tied in a knot on the bottom. So let's get this knot out. There's also some tape. Let's break that tape off. So we got the tape off, break it off, that's good. Let's pull it out. It feels like a big hunk of plastic, but you know, what do you want for $50-something? So this is kind of what it looks like. I'll plug it in real quick so you can see what it looks like while it's turned on. It looks like the top comes off very easily, just like that. That's what it has so far. I don't know there's something shaking in here. There's some kind of beads that are shaking in there. I don't know what they are. I didn't read the instructions. I'm just showing you an unboxing review of what it looks like. I probably should have educated myself a little bit about the beads. And you saw the way, oh, it went in this way? Yeah, it went in this way. So you saw the way it went in. Let's plug it in. We'll see what it looks like on the digital display real quick. Plugged it in, it lit up, as you can see. There's no plastic on it that you need to take off. There's no plastic on this outer layer that I can see. No plastic. So there's a timer button, there's a humidistat button, there's an LED dim button, a mist button, a preset, and an on and off. So I guess if you hit on and off, it turns on, but there's no water in it. So like I said, this is just an unboxing review pretty much of seeing it turn on and what it looks like and how advanced I guess it looks like. I will put on another video on it updated and go through how it works and all the rest of it and click on everything. I think this one said you could fill it from the top. So you're just supposed to be able to take the top off and fill it up so you don't have to worry. But you should clean out your dehumidifier every certain amount of time. It depends on the quality of your water and stuff. If you have RO, you can probably go a couple of days. But if you don't have RO water, you should really be taking this off and cleaning it out every so often, because you're just going to be breathing in that stuff while it's pumping it into the air, or you're going to damage the unit. So you're better off trying to keep it clean and cleaning it out anyway. So I'll go over in the next video about the beads and everything else, and I'll read up on it, and we'll go over how it exactly works and how we like it, and then we'll give a better review on how much we like it and everything like that. And this is just the opening package of what you can expect to get if you buy the Air Innovations humidifier. So yeah, that's it. We got that, and like I said, here's the manual. We'll open up the manual quick, let you get a good idea about the manual. What's this? This is exactly hard water. See, it even says excessive hard water will damage it. See, that's why I'm saying you should use, if you want it to last long, RO water. I don't think it's beneficial to buy gallons of distilled water and put it in here. If you're using it every day, that's not going to be efficient. It's going to cost you a lot more money than an RO system for the whole entire year, for the whole entire house. So that's up to you, what you think is efficient for you. So you have to go with what's going to work for you. Just, you know, try to make the unit last as long as possible, because, you know, it'll just be healthier and last longer. And, you know, to spend $55, $60 all the time is kind of a pain in the butt, you know what I mean? I don't work for free, and I don't think you guys do either, not that I know of. So customer satisfaction and pledge and all that other stuff, okay? And then this is the instruction manual, and the warranty information is on here. I did not go over this. This is just what it looks like. It's a couple pages long. Everything's in pictures, so you can see what's up, and they number it, and they tell you what it is down there. Oh, it's called a ceramic filter. The beads in there are called a ceramic filter, is what it says right here on number 12. So I don't know why that is beneficial or whatever, but it's called a ceramic filter, so you guys know what it has already. And this is kind of what the instruction manual kind of looks like, just so you see it. And that's it. Weekly cleaning and care and maintenance, troubleshooting, all that stuff, and then you have everything right there. All right, so that is it for the unboxing on Glen Velvet Reviews. I appreciate you guys for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, please subscribe to my channel and join me on my review adventures as I put up other stuff and try to help everyone out with their decision making on, you know, buying stuff and seeing if it's a good fit for them while they spend their hard-earned money, just like I have hard-earned money. All right, so that's it. Everyone have a good day. Enjoy. Bye-bye, everyone. Glen Velvet Reviews is out.